Jamaicans are being encouraged to familiarize themselves with what to do in the event of an earthquake. The call comes as Jamaica's regional neighbours Venezuela struggles from the fallout from two killer quakes. Details in this report. Venezuela is in ruins. Two earthquakes seconds apart flattened hundreds of buildings. So far, 1,450 people have died. Another 70,000 people are missing. Jamaica's local government minister Desmond McKenzie has taken note of the death, trauma and displacement.
And to express to them our condolences and pray for the best for the people of Venezuela.
For him, the event is a sobering reminder to Jamaicans. Many warnings have been felt since 2024.
And as a country, over the last 2.5 years, we have had more than 300 felt earthquakes in this country over the last 3 years. And I don't believe we are honestly talking enough about what an earthquake can do for Jamaica.
An acceptance also that locally not enough discussions take place about what persons should do in the event of an earthquake. Which is why, while addressing clergymen and congregation members in Westmoreland, he called on pastors to help spread the word.
And I would want the pulpit in our churches to be used to speak to your congregation about your personal role in disaster preparedness.
The local government minister was speaking at the final ceremony to present checks to churches to help with cleanup work post-Melissa.
So we have to maintain the values of our church. And again, we make no apologies for supporting the church in whatever way we can as a government. And that is why I announced an additional $50 million will be provided to cover the parishes of Clarendon and St. Ann that were affected by the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
And staying with earthquake-related matters, because the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, says a minor earthquake was felt in sections of eastern Jamaica at approximately 11:45 Sunday morning. According to the earthquake unit at Uwimona, the magnitude 3.9 earthquake was centered about 5 kilometers northeast of Golden Spring in St. Andrew. The tremor was reportedly felt across Kingston, St. Andrew and parts of St. Catherine. ODPEM says there are no reports of damage or injuries, while assessments continue with parish disaster coordinators and emergency response partners. The agency is also reminding Jamaicans that earthquakes occur without warning and is encouraging the public to remain prepared. Persons who felt the quake are also being urged to submit reports to the earthquake unit to assist with seismic monitoring.